Create numpy matrix filled with NaNs. I have the following code. It creates a width x height x9 matrix filled with zeros. Instead, I'd like to know if there's a function or way to initialize them instead to NaNs in an easy way.
You rarely need loops for vector operations in NumPy. You can create an uninitialized array and assign to all entries at once. I have timed the alternatives a column equals numpy.nan here and a .fill numpy.nan as posted by blank. The timings show a preference for array.fill ... as the faster alternative. Auto, I like NumPy's convenience implementation where you can assign values to whole slices at the time. The code's intention is very clear. Note that an array.fill performs its operation in place, so numpy.empty 3,3.fill numpy.nan will instead return none.
Another option is to use numpy.full, an option available in NumPy 1.8+. This is pretty flexible and you can fill it with any other number that you want.
I compared the suggested alternatives for speed and found that, for large enough vectors/matrices to fill, all alternatives except val1s and array_n, val, are equally fast. Code to reproduce the plot.
Are you familiar with numpy.nan? You can create your own methods such as then would output I found this code in a mailing list thread.